Imagine struggling to make sense of an exam paper, not because of the complexity of the questions, but because of poor presentation. Sounds frustrating, right? Today, we're going to share some tips on how to make an exam paper perfect and attractive, increasing the chances of scoring high marks. The first step is to focus on the layout. A clean and organized layout enhances readability and comprehension. Use a legible font and appropriate font size to ensure clarity. Bold important points and underline or italicize key terms for emphasis. If you have access to a computer, consider typing your exam paper for a professional appearance. This also makes editing a breeze. The second step is proofreading. Carefully scan your paper to catch any spelling or grammatical errors. Remember, a well-edited paper speaks volumes about your attention to detail. The third step is question crafting. Aim for a balance between difficulty and clarity. Ensure that questions are concise and to the point, avoiding any possible ambiguity. If you're a teacher, consider providing clear instructions and rubrics to guide students through the exam. This clarity helps students understand what's expected of them and reduces confusion. The fourth step is to include a variety of question types. Multiple choice, short answer, and essay questions assess different skills and levels of knowledge. For students, it's recommended to study actively using study guides or practice questions to reinforce key concepts and improve retention. The final step is presentation. Present your exam paper neatly and professionally. A well-organized paper sets a positive tone and instills confidence in your students or teachers. To summarize, creating the perfect and attractive exam paper involves focusing on layout, proofreading, crafting clear questions, including a variety of question types, and presenting your paper professionally. By following these tips, your exam paper will not only be perfect and attractive, but also conducive to scoring high marks. So gear up and ace that exam.